My friend, may I have a word with you? You're not from here, are you? An American. Oh, you stink. Everyone here will be able to tell you're an American just from the way you smell. I don't mind you, Yanks, but you may find that people here aren't too fond of the Americans. A word to the wise. Not everyone here will be as friendly as me. These youths, these miscreants have ruined our country. Intolerant of people like you. Perhaps a good task, or one could call it a quest to complete, would be finding somewhere to stay for the night, safe, get off these streets, until we next meet, my American friend.
Oh, blood.
That fucking American I smell.